Just took the bearings out of the swivel and took it apart, and you can see that this back O-ring here is toast. So we are going to take that out and replace it. All right, so we're going to pull off the old O-ring here with our dental tool. Okay. Get in there. There we go. Okay, there's our bad O-ring. Get a close-up of this. You can see it's pretty thin. It should be thicker than this, and it's wore out along the edges there. Okay, this is our replacement O-ring. It's not a Viton O-ring, but we're just going to put it on anyway. All right, let's see if this works. We will shove this back together and put our ball bearings back in. There we go. Okay, we're going to fire this up and see if we've got the swivel fixed with our little 30-cent O-ring. And okay, fire her up.